Hello students, in the previous video I have completed 4B and in this video I am going to start 4C. Here the question number 1 is draw the graph of each of the following equations, and here first question is y equal to x. Here we have to take different values of x. These values you can take as per your choice. Here you can take 0, 1, 2, 3, any value can be taken, and you have to find the corresponding values of y. Here suppose we have taken initially when x is equals to 1. If x is 1, y also will be 1. So we can write when x is 1, then y equals to 1. Suppose we have taken x equals to 2. If we replace x by 2, then y also will be 2. If we take x equal to 3, then y also will be 3. Now we are writing in the form of a table. When x is 1, y is 1. So this is the first point, 1, 1. When x is 2, y is 2, 2, 2. And third one is 3, 3. Now we are to plot 1, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3 in a graph paper. After calculating the points, we have to plot in a graph paper. First we draw this line x-axis, x, x prime, then y, y prime. Now first point we got 1, 1. So 1, 1, this is the point. 2, 2, this is the point. 3, 3, this is the point. In this way we got 3 points. If we join, then we should get a straight line, and it must be a straight line. If it is found that it is not a straight line, that means something is wrong and we should check the points again. Here equation of the line is y equal to x, so this one we should write here. Along x-axis 1 centimeter length we are considering 1. Along y-axis also 1 centimeter length we are considering 1. So we have written along both the axes 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So this is the required graph of question number 1. In question number 2, it is given that y equal to minus x. Here also, like previous sum, we have to take different values of x and we have to find the corresponding values of y. If we take x equals to 1, then y will be minus 1. If we take x equals to 2, just replace x by 2, then y will be minus 2. If x is 3, then y will be minus 3. If you want, you can take some negative values also. So we got the points when x is 1, y is minus 1. 1, minus 1. When x is 2, y is minus 2, 2, minus 2. If x is 3, y is minus 3, 3, minus 3. Now we have to plot these 3 points in a graph paper. Now in the graph paper we have plotted 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3. So we got these 3 points. If I join, I am going to get this straight line, which is the required graph. This equation we have to write here y equal to minus x. Since we have taken 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit along both the axes, we should write along both the axes 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, which is the required graph. In question number 3, it is given that y plus twice x equal to 0, and we have to plot the graph of this equation. Here y plus twice x is 0, so we can write y equal to minus 2x. Now we have to take different values of x and we have to find the corresponding values of y. Out of this x and y, any one we have to keep in the left hand side and remaining in the right hand side. Here coefficient of y is 1, so we kept y in the left hand side and twice x in the right hand side. Now we are taking different values of x. If we take x equals to 0, then minus 2 into 0 will be 0. So if x is 0, y is also 0. If x is 1, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, then y will be minus 2. If we take x equal to 2, then 2 into minus 2 will be minus 4. So if x equal to 2, then y equal to minus 4. In this way we got 3 sets of values. And always remember that it's not that you have to take 0, 1, 2. Any value can be taken for x and we have to find the corresponding value of y. Whatever value you take, your final graph will be same. So here required points are 0, 0, 1, minus 2 and 2, minus 4. These 3 values we have to plot in the graph paper. Now in the graph paper, first you have to draw the line x, o, x prime and y, o, y prime. After that, these scales you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here maximum value we have taken minus 4, so only that much will do. If you have taken bigger values like 7 or 8, then you should continue till 7 or 8. Now first point we got 0, 0, so this is the point. Second point is 1, minus 2, 1, minus 2, so this is the point. And second point we got 2, minus 4, 2, minus 4. So in this way you got these 3 points. These 3 points if I join, then I'm going to get a straight line, and this is the required graph. Since we got the graph from the equation y plus 2x equal to 0, so we should write it here, and in the scale, as we have taken 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit in both the cases, so in the scale you should write along both the axes 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. In question number 4, it is given 3x plus 5y equals to 15. Out of x and y, anything you can keep in the left hand side and remaining in the right hand side, though it is always better to keep y in the left hand side and remaining in the right hand side. So here 3x plus 5y 15. So 5y equal to 15 minus thrice x. So y equal to 15 minus thrice x by 5. Now we have to take different values of x and we have to find the corresponding values of y. Here initially we are taking x equal to 0. If you take x equals to 0, then y will be 15 minus 3 into 0 by 5. We are replacing x by 0. So we got 15 minus 3 into 0 by 5. 3 into 0, 0. So it will be 15 minus 0 by 5. So it will be 15 by 5. 15 by 5 is 3. So we got first point 0, 3. Now we are taking x equal to 5. If we take x equal to 5 in the same equation, then y will be 15 minus 3x. Instead of x, we are writing 5 by 5. 15 minus 3 5 is 15 by 5. 15 minus 15 will be 0. 0 by 5, 0. So second point will be 5, 0. Again, if I take minus 5 here, then it will be 15 minus 3 into minus 5. Instead of x, we are writing minus 5 here, dividing by 5. 15 minus minus plus 3 5 is 15 by 5. 15 plus 15, 30. 30 by 5, 6. So we got the values 0, 3, 5, 0, minus 5, 6. In this sum, before taking the values of x, it is better to check mentally whether we are going to get integer or not. Here when we placed x equal to 0, we got y equal to 3. Suppose if I take x equals to 1, 3 1 is 3. 15 minus 3 will be 12. 12 by 5, it will be a fraction, it will be 2.4. So we are avoiding fraction here because sometimes it is very difficult to plot fractional points. If it is 1 by 3 or 2 by 3, then it is very difficult to plot in the graph paper. That's why always we try to get integer values. Now if we plot 0, 3, first point we got 0, 3. So 0, 3, this is the point. Second point we got 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 0 will be this point. And third point we got minus 5, 6. So these are the points. If I join, then I'm going to get the straight line, which is the graph of the equation 3x plus 5y equal to 15. Here also, like the previous sum, we have taken 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, which I have mentioned in the scale. Along both the axes, 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit.